Maybe Castro. Hello.
Dandan ka, may lumot.
Let's go.
Baby Castro daw po.
Hindi may lumot.
Where are you going?
May lumot dito.
Uy.
Oh no, it's closing. I forgot to open. Oh, you just.
Oh no. To open.
Everyone close.
Where are you going, Nathan? We're going to Welsh's Spa. Hi there.
May lumot. Baka magpagay dun.
Be careful.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay, aray ko.
Okay dyan, malumot tayo. Ay, hindi papakatulog ko. Katulog ko din. Hindi tagawas yung malumot na.
Dun. Gamit ni Nathan. Welsh's Spa. Picture. Hello. Oh, picture dyan, mami. Picture ka mo, dida. Picture. Go there with grandma and grandpa. Nathan, look at here. Ma. One, two, three. Another. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hey, I got it.
Where are you going?
Woo.
Ng palabas. Nga. Nita, what are you doing?
I'm playing.
You're playing and
Eating.
wow, you're eating your orange sabaw. This is an orange sabaw. You're eating orange sabaw. You like it? It's yummy, right? You sit down lang. Sit down. Waray na spaghetti. Ano na yan na, Adi?
Dugo.
Dubo. Wait lang. It's not. Oh, wait lang. It's small only. Favorite Nathan. Favorite niya yung parang dubo. Dubo sabaw. It's not dubo sabaw, Nathan. Opo, pero iba, walay sila, nasa baba sila. Tayo nasa taas.
Sino?
Yung kung saan sila magpapamassage. Birthday tomorrow ni Mother. Ika 66. Advance birthday. Say, you sing Nay happy birthday. You sing Nay, come on. Happy birthday, Nay. Happy birthday, Nay. No. Ano ba tong bata na to? Ato.
Eating time.
Eating time. Oh, tama. Eating time pala. Sorry. Eating time.
Eating time na eh. Mommy's always taking a photo.
It's for documentation, right, Milab?
Baka hindi na naman ito pumasok buko.
Mapasok pa yan. Nathan, tomorrow you have class na ha. You need to go to school, okay? Wait lang.
Look, cover your face.
Yung camera face. Okay, bye.
babaeng napakot.
Diba? May kasi malaki siya eh.
Ginagamit ko ito para mag-endorso ng mga pwedeng produkto para magdala Kaya naman dahil po ang
Kainan, always kainan, palagi. Nathan, Nathan. Nathan, come here, Nathan. Nathan, you sing happy birthday to Nainay. Sing happy birthday to Nainay. You sing happy birthday to Nainay. Tomorrow pa. You will sing happy birthday to Nainay, ha? Bye! Ikaw, cute. Ang cute. Bye. Bye. Nathan, bye-bye. Nathan.